This is Shibuya Crossing. Yeah, this is Shibuya Crossing. Shibuya Crossing. I'm gonna attend soon. Attend.
Play ba?
To play.
Half an hour? So I can buy
Oh, supercar.
yeah.
It's Shibuya Crossing. Daddy, mag-prepare na.
It's 2,000.
Let's go to Shibuya.
No, we will not cross April.
Okay, we're actually going to Hachiko first.
Tingnan mo. Oh.
If you don't know who Hachiko is, he's a hero dog.
Ayan o.
Where?
Sakura tree.
Sakura trees? Those used to be Sakura trees. Go to Hachiko. Here he is, Hachiko. The hero, the dog that their owner died. He's on the train station. He doesn't know that his owner died already.